All right, guys. I know it's been a while since we've done a video. We've been busy getting our other vehicles ready for a drag and drive, huh, Jimmy?
Yeah, your damn truck been whooping our butts.
Yeah, the truck's been giving us some problems. I should have been filming, but I haven't. But anyways, so we're back on the Firebird here. It looks a little bit different, as you guys can tell. Good buddy of mine hooked me up with the door, old Tuffy Barnes. So now it's
Door with glass besides the vent window.
Jimmy got this weather stripping put in here just the other day. Anyways, this is what's going on with the thing. We're probably about to take this whole sheet metal out, and yeah, we're going to mini tub this thing so I can get it to set low.
We'll get it set right. If we can get, well, we got to push the wheel in. Who wants to run these wheels in 2025?
Somebody out there does.
But no, we want this thing setting low.
Yeah, long story short, I can't really lower it because it'll hit the inner fender, so we're going to do a slight mini tub job on this thing. And we might patch this trunk up. We probably will.
We'll cut it out and redo it or patch it, one of the two.
Yeah.
With the plans we have planned up.
But, yep. I'm just going to give you guys an update video. This is what we got going on, and that's about it.
I guess we'll get started removing sheet metal again.
Yep, we're going to get to cutting on this thing. I already got a mini tub kit on the way. It'll be a fun project.
One we've never done before, so that's going to be fun.
Definitely be a learning experience.
And that's what it's about.
Well, as you guys can see, Jimmy's been having some fun in here in the rat's nest.
Yeah, I got one more rivet to drill out real quick.
I do have a whole weather stripping kit for this thing and the quarter glass.
I don't know what they used to put this together, but it's looks like freaking K-Roll corn syrup.
An acorn.
Acorn, carpet, I don't know what else is in here. Rat poop. Good stuff. I'll pull this piece out too. Not the top piece, just this piece.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, I'll let you guys know the farther we get. Having fun in there.
Having all the fun. Just looking.
Alright guys, this is where we're at. To put this mini tub kit in, we're gonna have to cut these down bars out of this cage. As you can see, we got one cut out and we still got one left, but slowly but surely she's coming along, huh, Jimmy?
Yeah, and fixing rust holes, because all that's gonna be gone once we put the tub in.
Yeah. Yep, we got this sucker cut out.
All the sheet metal's out, because it's gonna come out.
Here's just a update video. Me and old Jimmy been putting in some work. Getting got this side almost done, huh?
Yeah, almost.
It's a lot of work for what, 3 inches?
Yeah.
All right, we've been hard at it. We pretty much got one side most of the way done. It's a little bit wider and taller than the factory tub, huh, Jimmy?
Yep. Hopefully the next side will go a little quicker since we know what kind of hang of it.
Yeah, the next side should go a lot quicker, but we just got to get some body sealer in here and this thing will pretty much be done with this side. You done?
Yeah.
All right. Me and old Jimmy got this thing pretty well finished up. It's not bad looking. We're not professionals, but that's the progress on the old girl. I'll show you from the other side. Yep, mini tubs are done. Jimmy, what we got to do next to it?
What don't we have to do it?
Yeah, we still got a lot to do.
We got to still do the quarter windows. We have to modify the floor for the ladder bars. Make us room so we can lower it.
Yep. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Appreciate everybody that watches. It's just a small update.